seconds. Right. Okay, we don't have participants at the moment. I think I should wait maybe for 10 seconds. So I'm going to wait for 10 seconds and see who comes in. Right. 10 seconds. Right, so I think we should start now. Right, in today's lesson, we are going to discuss the bullets and numbers. Right, so, but before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Isel Sitole. Right, so in today's lesson, we are talking about bullets and numbers, how to insert bullets and numbers. Remember, in our last lesson, we talked about, I showed you guys how to change the spaces between paragraphs and spacing between characters, as well as spacing between lines, right? So we are done with line spacing and paragraph spacing. Now we are moving to the bullets and numbers, how to insert bullets and numbers, right? Right, so like I've said, our lesson for today is based on the bullets and numbering on Microsoft Word. Right. Yes, now let's get into it. Right. Bullets and numbered lists are used to organize or order items or information to make it easier to understand. So like in your Word document, when you use bullets or numbered list, it makes it easy for the person who's reading that document or someone who's going to view that document. It makes it easy for them to read because your document is organized. So bullets and numbered list make a document to be organized. All right. Now, the bulleted and numbered list. Now, let me open a Word document just to show you how bullets look like in a Word, in Microsoft Word, right? How do they look like? Hi, Kolo. Welcome. Thank you for joining us, Kolo. How are you today? Right, so today, Kolo, we are discussing the bullets and the numbers, how to insert bullets and numbers in your Word document. Right, so sorry. I'm trying to open my doc too long. Oops. Okay. All right. So, Xolo, like I have said, today we are practicing how to insert bullets and numbers on a Microsoft document. Right, so this is our document. The document is named Agenda. So this is an agenda. I hope you know what an agenda is, but yeah, this is an agenda. But can you see this document is not organized? There are no numbers, no bullets, nothing, just a paragraph or just unorganized data or information. But then how to organize, how to insert bullets on this document in order to make it look more organized? How can we use the bullets? Okay, how can we insert the bullets in order to make this document to look more organized? Right, Ola, I hope you are still with me. Like I said, today's topic is based on how to insert the bullets and the numbers. Right, so to insert the bullets, it's very easy. Very easy. All you need to do is to select, the first step is you select the data. You select, you highlight where you want to insert your bullets, right? On your document, you highlight where you want to insert your bullets, okay? So now, to insert your bullets, you must go to the Home tab, must click on the Home tab, the Home tab. There's a group called Paragraph. The Paragraph group, you'll see bullets and numbering. There's bullets, numbering, there's also multi-level list, but we are focusing on the bullets and the numbering for today. So to insert bullets, right here, I'm just going to click on there's a drop-down list next to your bullets. Can you see bullets? If you can see, there's a drop-down list next to bullets. So the drop-down list gives you more options. Let's say you want to insert this type of bullets, then you can click. But then if you feel like you want to use this one, then you select, right? But there's more options. Word has more options for you. These are not the only bullets that you can insert. There's more, right? So in order for you to see more of what you can use, can you see there's define new bullets right there? Define new bullets, right? So to define new bullets, you can use a different symbol. Okay. If you want to insert a picture, you want your bullets to be in a form of a picture, you click on picture. Then picture will give you an option whether you want to get your pictures online or pictures from your device. So if I want pictures from my device, I'll click here. And now, if I want font to change, no. Let me not confuse you. Let's start with the symbol. Right, so first, there's the option of bullets. If I click on this one, I'm given this type of bullets. But now I feel like I do not need these ones. I need something that is different. To insert your bullets, you can click on the drop-down list. Drop-down list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you want the ticks, here are the ticks. If you want something different from the ticks, you can say define new bullets and choose from the symbol or choose from the pictures. Now let's see the symbols. There's a lot of symbols that you can choose from. Let's say I want to use, let's see, let me see. I want to use these arrows. Can you see the arrow? I want to use this as my bullet. Click on the arrow, say okay, then okay. Can you see? It's changed. It has changed. I now have the arrows. Okay, to have the pictures, to have a picture as my bullet, I can go to define new bullet, then select picture, then picture from a file, picture that is on my device. Right. Let me use this picture. Can you see? I hope you can see. The picture is now used as my bullet. So I have defined a new bullet. I've changed and inserted my picture as bullet. So if I click on OK, I'll see the pictures. So the pictures are here. Can you see the pictures? The pictures. So the pictures are used as bullets. Perfect. Right, so to change these pictures, I want a new symbol. Just go to symbol instead of a picture. Select one of the symbols, then say OK. And select OK. I select OK, it is changed. Now let's go back to our slides. Right. For those of you who have just joined, in today's topic, we are talking about the bullet and numbers. How to insert the bullets and numbering. Right, so I have shown you how to insert bullets, right? Now, okay, so we have seen the styles, the different styles of bullets. We have used those. You have seen me, you saw me using those on my Word document. But now, when you want to use numbered lists, Word has several Word has several numbering options and numbered list from which you can choose. Right, so Word also has several numbering options and numbering list from which you can choose from. Right, so Word also has several numbering options that you can choose from. All right, so this is our document. It has bullets. Now we want to use numbering instead of bullets. Okay, so to use bullets, you go to your home tab, select your home tab. In the home tab, there's paragraph. There's a group called paragraph in your home tab. In paragraph, you look for bullets. And if you are happy or you want something that looks like this bullets, then you can select them. But if you are looking for a different sign, you can click on there's a drop-down list, click on the arrow that's facing down, then you'll see more options. Right, so for more options, this is a bullet library. So these options are there already. I've used these pictures and also the different symbols. So to insert the symbols, I had to go to define new bullet. So if the bullet is not on the list, you should go to define new. Then you select the symbol or a picture that you want to be in a form of a bullet. So if you want this sign to be your, okay, you click on the sign, on the symbol, then the symbol is used as your bullets, right? But now we are moving to, now we are moving to numbering. How to insert numbers, right? So in your Word document, sometimes you have information that requires you to insert maybe numbers instead of bullets. Say maybe you are talking about something and then you have examples. I don't know how to put it, but let's say for instance, you want to number this, you want agenda to be number 1, call to order number 2, this line to be number 3. You want to number these lines. If you want to use numbers instead of bullets, then you should choose numbering, right? Okay, so to choose numbering, go to home tab, just like you did, just like what you did with bullets. Choose the home tab, then in your home tab, there's a group called paragraph. Paragraph, you look for numbering, right? So you can see this is numbering because it also has numbers. So I can see numbers, it's numbering, but now I do not want number 1, 2, 3. I don't want it to start at 1, but I want it to start at number 2. Microsoft Word also gives me that option. It gives me that option. I can go to the drop-down list, choose, can you see there's numbering library? I can choose different types or options for numbers, right? So different options of numbering. All right, so now the format that I used, or the default format that is there, we can see 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is the default format, but now I want to insert numbering that is different from this format. I want to use a format that is different from this one. If I want this one, the default one, I'll just click on numbering. Can you see on top of that 1, 2, and 3? If you can see, if you click on numbering, there's a default format, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, the normal type of numbering. But if you want something that is different and you are looking for more options, you should click on the drop down. There's a drop down list, the arrow. Can you see the arrow that's facing down? Yes, then there's different formats. If you want to use this format, you can click on this format, and then if you want this one, you can select, right? But now, say now you want your numbering to start at second. You don't want it to start at first. What do you do? What do you need to do? What do you need to do? You just need to go to your numbering. You select first, the first step, the text where you want to insert your numbering. It must be highlighted, it must be selected. So highlight and on the drop down list. Yes, I want this one. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Right, but I wanted to start at second. What do I do? What do I need to do? Define. Define, if you define new number format. So if you click on define new number format, you can change the format. You can change the font. To change the font, let me change the font color. The font color to say red. Okay. I want it to start at second, not first, but second. Oops. Right, seems like this one doesn't give me options. Okay, so it only starts at number 1, which is first, and second, third. Right. So to change the font, I had an option to change the font. I can change the style of the numbering. I can change the style. Then click on OK. OK. But then it is still black. Why? Right. Let me start over. This is my text. I want to select numbering. Okay, numbering, home tab, paragraph group, then numbering. Numbering, I want Roman figures, but with my figures, I want to change the format. Let's see if it changes. The color, I want a different color. I want it to be red. Come on, I want it to be red. There's advanced, right? Advanced also gives you more options, but let's stick to font, right? So I just want to change the font. Oh, this is an underline color, but the font color, here is the font color, right? Sorry, so sorry about that. The underline color, I don't have underline, I don't want underline. I just wanted to change the color to red, okay? So here is a preview for my numbering. So my numbering is now red. Okay, any questions? Any questions, or if you want to add something, Kolo? Do you want to add something, or do you have any question? Any questions, Kolo? If you don't have, Any questions? I'm now sending you a link. I want you to access the document. It's a document similar to the one I was using, the one that is named agenda. I want you to edit the document, insert bullets, any kind of format, any format, can be pictures. I'll be glad if you insert pictures. Okay, so pictures, and also change the numbering to Roman figures. Olo says, I'm fine, ma'am. Thanks, ma'am. Okay, Olo. Now, Olo, I'm going to send the document to you. I want you to edit the document, change the bullet, insert bullets, and change the format into something that you like. Change the bullet. Let's see, let me send the document first. Okay. 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 So my network have connection problems. Okay. Let me send you the link instead. The link. I hope you get the link, because I'm trying to send the document and it says network disconnect. Okay. Just a few seconds. Oops, okay. Let's see if it went. Okay. Oops, network disconnect. right. Okay, Xolo, just click on that link. You'll see a document that is similar to mine, a document named Agenda. Download the document. If you can't download the document, just open your Word document and type anything. Type anything and then try to insert the bullets. Right. Okay, so I'll wait. I will wait. Okay, did you find it? Did you find it? Oh, it says you need access, so I have to go and share or give you access. Right, so because it's time wasting, can you please type the agenda or just anything on your Word document? Type anything and then insert the bullets. Insert the bullets, then under, you can make two, say maybe two, one for bullets, the normal bullets, and then one for numbering. No, not the normal bullets. Try to use any format that you think is suitable for you, or maybe that you think is best for you. Use those bullets and then use, insert numbering. Okay, so it's going to be one for bullets and one for numbering. I want to see you inserting bullets and also numbers. I want you to number and insert bullets. And when you are done, you can tell me how did you do it? Just share how did you do it. And then if you can send and share the file, just share the file with us. Share the file so that I can view your file. Right. Now I can also open your file so that everyone see how it looked and how your bullets look like. So I'm going to give you 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. If you have any problems, just let me know. Three minutes. Xolo, just 3 minutes. 3 minutes, Xolo. 3 minutes. Do it now. Oh. Bullets. For bullets, remember the first thing you need to do is to select or highlight where you want to insert your bullet or the numbering. And second, home tab, look for the paragraph group. In the paragraph group, you'll see bullets, one option for bullets and the other for numbering. In your bullets, as a default format, you have the normal bullet, but I want you to use something that is different. Something different. What? Color. Right, so since we don't have enough time, color, this is my okay, just send it to me before the end of today. Before the end of today. So right, yes guys, so that's it for today. So in today's lesson, we have learned about the bullets in Microsoft Word, how to insert bullets and how to insert numbering. So we have seen let me go to my Word document. Open my Word. So we have seen how to insert bullets. So we have practiced how to insert bullets and also how to insert numbering. So the first step is to highlight or select the text where you want to insert your bullets or your numbering. Then go to your home tab, paragraph, then you see bullets. But then there's a default format, which is the normal bullets. If you want something that is different, you are looking for more options, this is where you'll find more options. If from this list, you can't find anything that you like, or maybe you're looking for more, you click on define new bullets. Click on define new bullets. Then you have these options, symbol, then select the symbol, then click OK when you're done. If you want to use pictures as your bullets, then you click on pictures. Microsoft will give you 3 options, whether to select the picture or the pictures from your computer, or you want to select them from online sources, or you want to select the pictures from your OneDrive. Okay, then if you want to select a picture that is in your computer, you click on File, then you look for the picture. When you are done, you see the picture in your preview, you see what you have chosen. If you have chosen a picture, then the picture will be visible on your preview. You'll be able to see how your bullet will look like. Then when you are done, click on OK. Right? And also, same thing with numbering. If you want to want to insert numbers, want to number your text, you can click on numbering. For the symbol format, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the normal one, you can click on numbering. But if you are looking for something that is different, you are, okay, if you are looking for maybe your Roman figures, this type of format, the first, second, third type of format, which is in words and letters. I mean, numbers and letters. So if you are looking for first, second, and third, or maybe the Roman figures, you select what you are looking for. If it's not something that you are looking for, maybe you want your Roman figures, but a different color, you have seen that option. So thank you guys so much for joining today's lesson. And I hope you join tomorrow's lesson as well. Right, so thank you so much and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you. Bye.